Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In this Millennium Cricket League's F40 League Division A, we witnessed the clash of titans, the spectacle of swings and strikes, as challengers wielded their bats in an epic encounter against the UFI Sports Club.
The stage was set gloriously under the June sky, where cricketing gladiators crossed swords, promising a tale of willow and leather that etched into the annals of this season's league.
A special mention to the event advertisers, whose support mirrors the unyielding spirit of this game. Their contributions echoing in every cheer and every play on the field.
Like Difgen Pharmaceuticals' commitment to health, which reflects in each product launch, today's match was a century in a World Cup final. And what a feast it was, as enticing as the Park Specials innings of flavors, hitting the taste buds for a clean six.
The challengers initiated the battle, welding a total that was a mixture of grit and flamboyance. However, wickets tumbled at regular intervals, setting a narrative ripe for a crusade from the UFI squad.
Indeed, the script had its twists. The UFI Sports Club stepped up, pacing their reply meticulously. The turning points were not just swings of the bat but strategic masterstrokes that turned the tides in a high-octane chase.
The challengers' innings was a canvas painted with strategic strokes, the notable partnership of Nyamagowda and Kesarkar anchoring them through early turbulence.
But the UFI bowlers wove their spells, with Jadhav Rao spearheading the attack. The wickets he claimed were akin to pulling rabbits out of hats, tipping the scales in the second act.
Like a thunderous reply to the opening act, the UFI Sports Club's innings was a symphony of aggressive batting, led by a warrior named Rajdeep Darbar, carving the chase with precision.
The bowling side faced a tempest. Darbar's blade cut through the air, while Patel stood as an immovable force. Every run added was a nail in the challenger's coffin, sealing the outcome inevitably.
Rajdeep Darbar's breathtaking century was the cornerstone of victory, his explosive hitting a marvel to behold, shifting the match momentum irreversibly.
Darbar's epic innings, matched with Jadhav Rao's vigilant bowling, proved the alchemy for triumph. Their heroic efforts wove a victory tapestry that will hang in the club's halls for eternity.
UFI Sports Club emerged victorious by 5 wickets, their chase an exemplar of measured aggression and unwavering resolve, outplaying the challengers.
A thrilling conquest, UFI's chase was a journey marked by audacity and skill, culminating in a win that sent a thunderous ripple across the league. The crowd's roar fades, but their elation lingers. Today's clash will be reminisced as a duel where cricket was the true victor, leaving fans and players yearning for the next encounter.
As the dust settles on this battlefield, we're left with images of Darbar's valiant stand and the challengers' valiant fight. This spectacle will surely light the fuse for fireworks in clashes to come.